welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a talking video, so I've got a little tutorial for you today. So please ignore any sound in the background. My children are just coming downstairs and my husband is playing Destiny 2. So what I want to show you today is a little trick that I have found online. When you create a knot with your yarn, more often than not, you just can't get it tight enough. So I found a way that just from wrapping over once more, you can make that knot perfect. All right, so here we go. Right, so to show you this, I'm going to use some yarn and a pair of scissors.
49%.
There we go. Ignore my husband in the background. Right, so as an example, I'm just going to wind up some yarn here. So imagine we wanted to create a little pom-pom out of that, okay? So normally you would do this. But as you can see with that, this tends to come loose no matter how hard you pull it, it will always come loose. So what I found is, because sometimes it's hard to do that first knot and then get the second knot in without it coming loose. So this is what I found online, okay? Getting myself in a pickle here behind the phone. Right, so you would do that as normal, but before you pull tight, I'm just going to zoom in a second. Before you pull tight, excuse my nails, I've been to the allotment, you will go back under again, so that you've wrapped it twice. And as you can see there, it doesn't come loose. And then you're free to just wrap over again. And then you have a very tight knot. As you can see there. There we go. So, wrap twice, pull and wrap again. Hope that helps. If you found that useful, give me a thumbs up. And I'm going to try and keep with getting some tutorials online, as I haven't done any in a while. And I shall catch you all again soon. Stay safe. Bye.